So we started with this question. It's just a classic basics problem that kids struggle with. Here, you would reduce this to root 25 and root 3, and that's really 5 root 3. So now it's 5 plus and minus 5 root 3 all over 15. And then, you think you should factor out the 5. 1 plus and minus root 3 all over 5 times 3. You see how I just effortlessly changed this into this so that this can cancel this. And there's your answer. 1 plus and minus root 3 over 3. Raise your hand if you had that one right. Awesome. It took a bunch of practices, but most of you now have got that down. All right. What else do I expect you to know? Well, the silver 20 is a list of the things I thought, I picked those, that would be the most important for you to know for my class here right now. But for next year, the most important ones are the top 20. If you would know those top 20, then you would be in really good shape. It's definitely harder. Remember, the average score was probably a 12 out of 20 when kids took it. So don't expect a walk in the park. But if you want to today, if you feel like you've mastered the silver, then you can go on. And I won't count it against you because almost nobody gets a good score. It's just going to be for you to know where your weaknesses are. But then you have to be the grown-up now. When I've showed you where your weaknesses are, you really should fix them. You really want to do well next year? That's what you need to do. And it'll be hard to motivate yourself because, nobody's going to make you do it. But I will give you one tool that I'd like you to add to your iPad right now. Please go to the website. So you're going to go to Safari to get there. Go to the website, www.algebraninja, ALGEBRANINJA.com. I made that website, and I filled it with really, really good stuff. So I would like you to, right now, use the Share-O, and once you found algebraninja.com, use the Share-O and add it to your iPad on the home screen. And the cool part is I made it so that the little ninja dude is the icon. So when you get done, you'll see this cool little ninja, black ninja on a black background, or some of you were in dark mode versus some of you were in light mode. So it's either it's a black ninja either way. It's just whether it's a black background or a white background. Okay, got the little Algebra Ninja saved? Save, add it to your home screen. Because why? Because some of you are going to actually take me seriously and want to fix these things, and that's where all the videos are. Okay, so let's go there. Let me show you. Click on Algebra Prep. You're at the website now, and you go to Algebra Prep. Now, if you know, oh my gosh, Mr. Server, I am actually incredibly weak at these things, then you should go do my easiest one, which is called Basic 20. We've been working on Silver 20, but there's also one called Top 20. And if you really want the hardest challenge, it's called Tough 20. Surprisingly enough, it's the tough one, okay? So, if you get done with today, and there were some kids last hour that got 17 out of 20 on the top 20. Awesome! They probably figured out one dumb mistake, have to learn 2 things, but there's a video for each one. There's a little video that I recorded. So this is like an awesome tool for a kid who actually cares about fixing their weaknesses. And if you do fix your weaknesses, I can promise you, you go to AP Pre-Calc, knowing all of the top 20, you are not going to fail out of Pre-Calc because of algebra then. Maybe the Pre-Calc will be too hard for you. I doubt it. It's almost always the algebra that gets you. So, there's my challenge to you. Find your weaknesses today and fix them. But it's on you. Shouldn't be waiting for some teacher to give you points for it. Somebody be like, I actually want to fix this. I actually want to be in the best math shape of my life. All right, so here we go. Now we're headed to the website, app called Schoology. Find Schoology, find today. Look and see that you have 2 choices. One is Silver 20, one is Top 20. I think I've made it clear that if you decide to take top 20 today, then your Silver 20 score is stuck the way it is. And your top 20 won't be counted against you. It'll just help you find your weaknesses. Think of it as a challenge. All right, pick one of the two and go ahead and get started. I'm going to set a 20-minute clock here. And that's all I got for you for today. For the video, anyway. After the test, we'll talk a little bit more.